myself. My name is Makita Sarismutama. I'm 29 years old now. Now I'm working as company. Now I want to introduce a skincare product from brand of Glow Flower Skincare. This is this is a skincare product that is more effective than most other products I have tried before. Why is this product becoming more popular among teenagers? Do you want healthier and brighter skin in just weeks? Then you need to try this amazing product. The texture is as soft as cream and the fragrance is similar to natural flowers. This skincare is especially formulated with powerful ingredients like cinnamide, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C that help hydrate the skin, brighten the spot, and keep your face fresh all day long. This product can brightening skin within a week of use if used regularly. In my opinion, this product is the best choice for daily skincare routines. Why I say that? Because it is cheaper and safer than other brands. And the best part, it is suitable for all skin, even sensitive skin. So, if you want glowing and healthy skin naturally, don't miss out on Love Flower Skincare series. Get yours now and start your skincare journey today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!